In most industries, the engineering data of a product is accessed and used by users belonging to the same or different departments. Accordingly, these users work with the engineering data in different ways. For example, some users view the data based on an area of expertise, and some may need to view the data based on an area in the product. Therefore, a single product structure organized in just one way does not usually work. Creating multiple product structures is not feasible either, as it creates maintenance overheads, data duplication, and synchronization issues. With partitions in Teamcenter, you can arrange a product structure in multiple ways. Without duplicating the source data, you can organize the data logically and hierarchically within manageable sections called partitions. Partitions can be categorized within different partition schemes such as physical, functional, system, and zonal, depending on how users want to view the product structure. For example, you can arrange the various electrical and mechanical systems of a vehicle within a functional partition scheme. Or you can arrange parts based on the subsystems of the vehicle within a system partition scheme. You can include a part in different partitions within the same scheme and across different partition schemes. For example, in the functional partition scheme, the part starter motor can belong to both electrical and mechanical partitions. Starter motor can also be a part of the engine partition within the system partition scheme. After you organize the structured data into different partitions, users can derive the product definition that they want to work with by selecting an appropriate partition scheme. They can further filter the product structure to work with parts that belong to specific partitions. Partitions are not just limited to organizing design or engineering data. You can also organize requirements data and product configurator data in partitions. To summarize, partitions in Teamcenter can be used to arrange structured data in multiple ways so that users can work with the product structure in a way that best fits their roles and tasks.